welcome back to the YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Nadia, and in today's video I'm presenting you a very special offer that we have in La Mata. It is a studio apartment that has sea views to the pool, the lake and the mountains, and it's located very close to the best beach, of course, in the area, which is La Mata Beach. We are right now surrounded not only with these features of nature, but also with the services of the area. You have close access not only to the beach and nature, but also to the bus stations, to the shops, and of course the Torrevieja city, which is just a couple of minutes by car. Now let's get to the important thing, which is this studio apartment. It is a fully renovated studio. Even the terrace that I'm standing on right now has been renovated and painted. Everything was thought to the fullest detail, so it's the most comfortable for you guys. Now let's get to see it from the inside. So this studio is located in a nice gated complex, which is Parque Marfort, one of the most solicited in this area. But let's show you around this beautifully made apartment. And the first thing is this terrace. It is a nice, wonderful views that you have from your own apartment, and it's nicely displayed and designed. You have even your own olive tree, guys. Come on, that's wonderful and such a special detail. And now by this double glazed door we access inside. And this space gives the feeling of a nice luxury 5-star hotel because everything is made with good style. We have very nice details not only in the bedroom but also the kitchen. And just how romantic is this little electric fireplace. Now let's show you in depth the details of this apartment, starting by, of course, the living area, which is here. We have this couch which can be open, so you have some storage there, and you have a fireplace, electric one, but it's really nice and romantic because you can sit here, enjoy the views, the TV and the fire. Now let's move to the bedroom part, and we have, of course, the air conditioner. We have a huge bed, which is really important, so you have this more comfort feeling in here. And the attention to detail is also in the wardrobes because we have the LED lights here for most comfort. And now apart from the terrace and community, this is my favorite part in the whole apartment because this stylish and comfy kitchen is really well designed. Not only because it has everything in a very good distribution, so it's comfortable to use, but also because it looks good. And the detail of the stone, the real stone, and the island, which makes everything more convenient for the use. This kitchen is sold fully equipped, and also the apartment, of course, as you see it now, it's how you will receive it if you're the one who buys it. And now let's get closer to show you the bathroom, because here they kept the nice style and attention to detail in the renovation. They have changed everything fully. They put new tiles and a really nice design choices for the colors as well. Everything in this apartment was changed. The floor, the paint is new, and by the way, it's anti-mold paint, so everything was, again, a lot of details were taken when planning this renovation. And also I want to show you the door because it's a nice security door. And now let's get to the terrace with a nice view so I can tell you more about this special offer. This area has a lot to offer, the beach is one of the very interesting spots, but also we have many parks, the one that I mentioned before and one that I can see from here, which is the park of Laguna of La Mata. It's a wonderful place if you want to come here to enjoy the nature, but also we are just 15 minutes from Torrevieja city with the best restaurants in the area and many nice promenades by the beach of the city. And you can enjoy the city life and also, of course, the nature of this area if you get this apartment. If this is something that interests you, a renovated property ready to live in or ready to rent out, just contact me. You can get this studio for a price of 139 100,000 euros. It's a wonderful opportunity, and if you need to know anything else, you will always have my contacts here, so you can contact me and get your questions answered. Thank you for watching this video. Follow us on our YouTube channel and me on my Instagram, and we'll be in touch. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.